Using a Canada area code for WhatsApp, a step-by-step guide. Whether you're calling a friend or family member in Canada, or using a Canadian phone number for your WhatsApp account, understanding area codes is essential. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to send text messages, make voice and video calls, and share photos and videos. If you're communicating with someone in Canada using WhatsApp, you'll need to use the correct area code to ensure your messages and calls reach them. You can do a quick Google search to find a list of Canada area codes by province or territory. Once you have the code, you'll need to add it to your contact's phone number in WhatsApp. That's it! You've now added the Canada area code to your contact's phone number in WhatsApp. Now you can send messages and make calls just like you would with any other contact. So, if you have any questions about using a Canada area code for WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.